Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to shut down laptop in Windows 11 with keyboard. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the desktop press Alt F4 button, and now you can see that shutdown window is open, and you can change shutdown or sleep or restart. Select a shutdown, and after that press OK button to continue. The second method is that in the search box, first of all type a Windows and type a run and open the run command, and after doing this type a s shutdown space -s space -f space -t double zero, and after doing this press enter. When you press on a OK button, then your computers will be shut down. The last method is that to the tab button, click on a start menu, and after doing this select the power buttons, press enter, and select a shutdown and press enter button. When you click on a enter button, then your computer will be shut down. So this is a possible ways to shut down your computer or a laptop on keyboard. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.